What's up guys, got a quick little video here for you. These are the Nike Air VaporMax Flyknit 2s, the Volt colorway. As you can see, red sticker means I got it on sale. So I'm gonna open this up. Gonna check them out here. These are pretty nice if you ask me. Gonna bring the exposure down so you can see them a little bit better. That's not bad, that's pretty fire. They're actually way shinier, way more crazy in person. Let's see if I can get that. Alright, now the color you see now, maybe like multiply that by like 10 times more yellow, because that's how they look. Pretty fire sneakers if you ask me. A lot of people like their VaporMax. This is an interesting, flashy colorway. I call these gym sneakers because I love wearing these colors to the gym. Obviously gonna throw them on with the bacon and egg socks. And toast, I think, no, that's an egg, right? Bacon, eggs, and toast socks. Those are Hypebeast socks. Don't let anyone fool you. Check out the link to cop these shoes on StockX in the description if you want them. I'm pretty sure you can get them under retail. Maybe you won't get as good of a deal as I got, but you know, that's a lot of work to go to the mall and shop. Ultimately, they're fire. If you like the pants and the way they stack, check them out on Amazon, link in the description. I get a size that's too long for me so that they stack a little bit like this. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. If I got cut off, it's because I ran out of space on my memory card, but support the channel, subscribe, maybe that won't happen next time. Thanks for watching, goodbye.